Hi, hello, hi. Bibidyo mo. Ay,
Ate.
ate.
Si
Hi,
ate
hi.
yung i-video ng kopya.
Opo. Nag-aayos namin for the copy. It's July 9, 2008, Wednesday. In the morning, exactly 11:15. Yan, si Michelle. Medyo ayos na ako.
Masyado madami, baka mamukap lang.
Sabi nga light makeup lang.
Baka wala.
Pero, ay wala ba? Diba yung akin din pakipidyo yung uniform ko? Tanda, diba? Oo muna eh. Ano ugali? Ang uniform namin, yung akin ah. Obvious naman. V-neck na yan, ibig sabihin, ready to duty na.
Oh, nurse na, dalawa.
Yes,
Duty
thank
na.
God. Duty na. Our beautiful shoes. White na white. Kaputi yan, pagkatapos niya maitim na yan.
Wala lumabas. Set na ba yun? Yung muna. Ayun.
Ay, lumabas. Oh, all white yan. Ganda, no? Ganda yung uniform namin. Ay, si Dr. Mano. Ay, tinatakban nyo kami.
Oftentimes may ask them, ano ang pangarap mo sa buhay mo? I want to be a successful doctor. I want to be a successful nurse. But beware, my brothers and sisters. Oftentimes I would remind young people, when you use the word successful, what do you mean when you say the word successful? How can you gauge if you are a successful nurse? Because oftentimes people might say you are a successful nurse if you have so much money. Sometimes people might say you are a successful nurse if you have high position, if there are people who praise you, if there are awards received. If this is the gauge of success for a nurse or for any other profession, then I do believe Jesus, God, was never successful. If you would look into his very own life, Jesus did not have any money. He lived like a poor beggar. People were giving him
Leon Yes, sir.